Peace, my crochet friends. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing today? Happy spring. We have just passed the first day of spring and the sun has been out. The birds have been chirping all day long. I don't know if you can still hear them. It is after 6 o'clock in the evening. Oh, it's 7. And the birds are still out, honey. They are enjoying the spring, and so am I. I want to share with you what I'm working on today. I have a couple of WIPs going on. I have 2 orders right now on Etsy. But let me show you what I'm doing now. I made this big granny square. I'm working on a granny square bag. And this is the yarn I bought. It's pretty. Isn't it pretty? And this is the Caron Cinnamon Swirl Cake. And I used the entire skein, and this is what it looks like. Caron. So this color is called Mai Tai, and it's 8 ounces of yarn. Okay. So I use the entire skein, and this is the square. And I'm going to measure it now. And then I will tell you where I got the pattern from. So right now, this square is 19 inches by 19, okay? And I got the pattern from a lovely young lady on YouTube. And let me tell you her channel. Let me see where she is. And this took me about maybe 3 days. And I went and found some fabric. I got a fat quarter is what it's called, the fabric squares. And you can see one of my previous videos, and actually the video I just did, the recent video, I showed you guys how I attach the fabric to my crochet pieces without any sewing. I use fabric glue. Is it on my desk? It's not on my desk. But I use liquid stitch. And that's how I attach the fabric to I make a lining for my bags. Let me see if I can find her. Her name is Ophelia. I want to give you the proper name of the channel. Okay, her YouTube channel is Ophelia Talks Crochet. And I have to search for the actual video because I want to show you what the finished bag looks like. And I was looking for crochet bags with wooden handles. And if you guys watch me regularly, you saw me talk about the challenge I had with finding wooden handles. And I thought I was going to have to order them because I couldn't find them in the store. Joann's doesn't sell. Well, Joann's is gone now. But Joann's does not sell wooden handle for purses. They used to years ago. Oh my goodness, where did she go? Okay. So anyway, I'm going to show you the bag, but I found these, I was going through my stash of supplies and I found these handles and I was like, this is wonderful. I don't have to order any, right? So these, I've had them for a while. I held on to them because I was making bags years ago. I made these cute bags, and I've sold a couple of them, but not enough to keep it up. So then I decided to get into the bags again, and really, this bag is I'll if it doesn't sell, I'll keep it, but but I want to make some more bags. So I found these handles. I'm almost ready to attach them because my square is finished here, right? So let me see if I could show you the bag. And so right now I'm actually ready to start making the squares for the handle. It's so many ads. It's just okay. Okay, there it is. Can you see it? Isn't that cute? And in the video, it looks big. It looks like a big bag, right? Okay, so anyway, that's what I'm doing. So I finished the square. This is the other side, or what's going to be the inside of the bag. And I found this beautiful fabric. And I attached it with the fabric glue. You see that? And so it dries. The liquid stitch, it dries in actually about 30 minutes. But I like to leave it alone. I let it sit overnight. Okay. So now I'm ready to work on the shaping of the bag and getting ready to attach those handles. And I did this with a 5mm hook. So let me see where I left off here. So the edging, I'm decreasing now across one edge, and then I'll do the other side. Well, like I said, I have 2 orders now. So on my Etsy page, I have crochet pieces, but I also have like wooden room decorations as well. So I have things that I paint and decorate, like wooden letters, so you could get like the letters of your name or like custom letters, and I will paint them and decorate them. So I sell those on my Etsy page too. But yeah, this little bag, the pattern is very easy. So I'm just finishing this up here. And right now I'm working on reducing the sides of the bag before I am ready to attach the handles. And I don't know, this bag is cute. I think I'm going to keep it. But I could open up custom orders on the Etsy shop too if you guys wanted to order this bag. I would certainly make one for you. Let me know if you are making any spring projects, anything specifically for spring, because I am considering changing up using cotton yarns for some of my spring projects. Obviously I don't want to do anything too heavy with an acrylic or a wool. But you guys leave me a comment. Let me know what you're working on. And you can send me pictures through my DM on Instagram, which is illis_crochet. And make sure you check out my Etsy page too. So yeah, this is what I'm working on. I'm excited to get it finished. And what else am I doing? I'll show you. I know it's not Wednesday, but I'll show you the WIPs. I'll show you the WIPs. Okay. Well, let me show you first what I finished last week. So the most recent video before this one, I showed you the tutorial for how to make this cute little pouch. Isn't it cute? And this, if you recognize this yarn, I did the Bolero, the crochet shrug. That video tutorial was done with this same yarn. So this is the yarn that I had left over after I finished the shrug or the sweater, right? And this is the Big Twist acrylic living, the anti-pill acrylic. And this is the last of what I had from Joann's. So I turned it into this cute little pouch. And I had my crochet hooks in here, but look, my glasses fit in here too. And I lined it with some fabric, again, with the liquid stitch. It works. It works. I'm telling you, it saves me so much time not having to sew. Not having to sew. But yeah, it's big enough to put your glasses in. And I have two Etsy orders right now. One of them is the baby set for the booties and the hat. So here's the little booties. And the booties are done. I got to tie in these loose ends and put the laces on them and finish the little hat. But there's the booties. So that's the WIPs right now. And of course, the bag we're working on today. The bag. But I think I do want to make some more bags. And for some reason, I am now really into granny squares. And what can I make with them? You know, not blankets, but what else can I make with a granny square? What else can I make? So I'm excited to show you this bag when it's finished. Like I said, right now I'm just working on decreasing the sides all the way around. This yellow I'm using is actually a cotton because, again, you guys know how I feel about those little fuzzies and the pills, the fuzzies in the yarn. And I know if there's a project that I'm going to wear or it's going to get a lot of use, I got to put some cotton on it or something that is not 100% acrylic. And that's just what it is, you know? That's just what it is. I want to do a live soon so I can chat with you guys. Maybe I'll do a live for the WIP video. You know? I've been busy all day and just now getting to my crochet. I used to crochet a lot after work when I was a teacher. And I taught my kids how to crochet when I was a classroom teacher. And I taught online. So I taught crochet to many children. And I hope that they're still continuing to do it when they have time. You know? I think we all need something that's therapeutic. And it doesn't really matter how much time you spend on it. If all you have is 30 minutes out of your day to practice your craft, something that relieves your stress and is therapeutic, then take those 30 minutes to do it, you know? It doesn't have to be anything with needlework or fiber. It could be anything. I read somewhere that crochet is a form of meditation. And I believe that to be true, you know? And I've been to meditation classes and I've been to guided meditation, and the person who was facilitating the class said that there's a lot of activities in your day that could be considered meditation. He said washing dishes is a form of meditation, you know, because you're focused on one particular thing at that time. Your mind is concentrating on one thing. And I think that's so true. But I like working with my hands, you know. So I'm going to work on my bag. When it's finished, I will come back and share with you. And there will be a book review this week. And I think another tutorial too. I'll do something short though, like a crochet stitch. I'll show you how to do that. All right. Okay. Thank you for joining me. I'll be back to show you the finished bag, and we'll chat some more. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will be back with you. I can't wait to see what you make this week. Peace.